A still image works, but a little motion makes a reel feel alive. The kit can animate any scene from its background image using WAN 2.2. Let me show you how and what it costs. On a scene, there is a toggle animate via one image to video. When I turn it on, that scene stops being a static picture and becomes a short clip generated from the same still. Subtle motion, a slow push in, a light drift. You can steer that motion with a short prompt, something like subtle parallax, camera drifts left. Keep it gentle. This is image to video, so it animates the still you already have. It does not invent new action. Now, where the clip actually gets rendered. In the clip section, there are two options. Local ComfyUI runs on your own GPU for free. Replicate runs it in the cloud and you pay per clip. If you go with Replicate, you paste a token and pick a model. Each model shows its exact cost per scene right here, so you always know what a render will run you before you start it. So it is your call, scene by scene. No GPU, use Replicate for a few cents a clip. Have a GPU, run it all locally for nothing, and you only animate the scenes that actually benefit from it. That is motion. In the next tutorial, I make the whole thing look like yours with branding, colors, and a live preview.